Chief Minister B.S. Yedurappa on Friday announced a complete lockdown in Karnataka from May 10 to May 24 as the state reported 48,781 new COVID-19 cases and 592 deaths, taking its cases tally to 18,38,885. A lawyer who has been representing the Election Commission before the Supreme Court has resigned from the panel of advocates of the EC, saying his values were not in consonance with the present functioning of the body. Despite some people questioning the efficacy of vaccines, some conclusions indicate that vaccinated persons who tested COVID positive respond better to the treatment and were saved from hospitalization. Today is a great day of Akshaya Tritiya. The glory of this day is not only among the Jains but also among the Ajains. There are some days in the year that are called Muhurat without asking. This is also the glory of Vaishakh Sudi Teej. In this Avsar period, the first donation religion started from this day, Akshaya Tritiya. This is a festival whose significance is very big and wide. In Hindu, Vedic and Jain tradition, the importance of Akshaya Tritiya is very much considered. It is a natural to raise curiosity that why the festival got its name Akshaya Tritiya. Akshay meaning not share, that is under any circumstances this Tritiya of Vaishakh month. A man was arrested in Thane district for allegedly procuring swab sample collection sticks and then getting them packed in an unhygienic manner for further distribution amid the COVID-19 pandemic, police said on Friday. The Dawoodi Bohra community has set up a COVID-19 war room in Mumbai to facilitate oxygen requirements, provide real-time update on availability of beds in hospitals and helps the families in burial of the dead. The Navy and IAF have further cranked up their ongoing operations to ferry serogenic oxygen containers from abroad as well as within the country to aid civic administrations in tackling the deadly second wave of the COVID-19 pandemic. Gavi, a global alliance on vaccine on Friday, said that India would receive between 190 to 250 million fully subsidized doses of COVID-19 vaccines and funds up to 30 million for urgent technical assistance and cold chain equipments. The US economy gained just 266,000 jobs in April under the unemployment rate increased slightly to 6.1%, the government reported on Friday. British Prime Minister Boris Johnson said on Friday the government needed to handle carefully the emergence of new coronavirus strains first found in India, which have since started to spread in the United Kingdom.